Hi, this is John A, aka Dollar Day Trader, and I want to give my very first live trading recap. But first, a little bit about me. I am a lifetime member of Bearable Traders. I've been trading part-time for about 8 months now, mostly in sim. I did try after a few months to go live, but I wasn't showing consistency and I wasn't ready, lost a little bit of money. So I went back to sim, and until lately I have been showing more consistency, and now I'm trying to go back live, but with small share size, just kind of see where it takes me. But now I want to give my trading recap on DE, John Deere. The stock, as we can see here, was gapping up off of earnings. So we see the previous day around 165.81, open up around 177. Like the volume, like the gapping up as a nice catalyst. Looking at the 5-minute chart here, we see in the pre-market, I did like this consolidation period. It was kind of hovering around these price levels between 176 up to 178. So I was really just wanting to see where the breakout could occur once we went live. And then looking at the 1-minute chart here, we see first minute, we see the price action respect VWAP. It kind of wicks down, but nothing, still respecting this area and the 50-day moving average. Then we see this long wick candle here go down to 176.07, but still doesn't break this moving average. So I felt confident here taking a long position. So I took my first long position here around 178.29. I covered partial at 178.76 just to kind of see if it would pull back and then go up some. It did dip down below, and this was a stop loss area for me around 176.80, 84. It bounced back and actually added shares. I really felt confident based on this long wick and based on respecting this moving average and VWAP. So I took a long position here. Once again, it came back down, but didn't, once again, this is my stop loss. So I was definitely going to get out of my shares if it did break this, but it did not. Then we see really a bullish engulfing candle, which definitely let me felt more confident in my long position. So I did take some shares off here. Then I sold some around initially 178.57 all the way up to 178.98, and then all the way up to 179.97. So pretty decent trade overall. Fridays typically aren't good for me, so I would like to only trade it a few times and just kind of get in and out. In hindsight, though, it would have been nice to held a few shares to break even, as we saw the stock price go up to like almost to 182 here. So my initial break even point should have been here, but I am a part-time trader, so I kind of do most of my trades within that first 5 to 15 minutes and maybe max 30 minutes. Then I'm out to kind of go back to my full-time job. So that was my trading recap. I hope to give future recaps, as I do enjoy sharing and learning from others. So if there are any comments or questions, please leave them below. And I look forward to doing some more of these. So hope everyone has a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later.